everybody, my name is Connor Johns, and today I'm going to be looking around We Care Wednesday. So here at Trine, we have some days called We Care Days throughout the semester, which they specifically set aside just for students, social life here, their mental health, right? Just days, no class, no makeup quizzes or anything. We just go around having fun, and Trine throws on all kinds of events. So today, through the entire day, we're going to try and hit every event and get videos and a little action within every event that we have here. So here on We Care Wednesday, we got $1 drinks at one of our coffee shops on campus, the Bean Counter. And while we're hitting up those lattes, I happen to run into Sea-Dog himself, Christian Jones, the guy who's running the whole thing tonight. You excited for today?
Oh, very excited. It took a long time to get everything prepared.
Yeah, we're pretty stoked. Hopefully we'll catch up with you later today. We're going to go hit some events.
Oh yeah, I'll be all around.
So here, one of the first events we have here at We Care Wednesday is yoga in the Athletic Recreation Center. So bright and early, right, 10 o'clock, Trine hires the local yoga facility in town to come in and guide some yoga and some meditation for everyone here. A hopping part of We Care is we got open gym all day. So, a lot of people aren't into yoga or, petting zoos or whatever, so we just got basketball all day for you. You guys will be cranking it out for sure. One of the hottest events here at We Care Wednesday is massages. So a couple times a semester, Trine normally hires in some local masseuses to come in and give all the students here massages who sign up for it. Right, little 15-minute massage breaks, really nice, really comfortable. Definitely one of the most popular options here. To free skate here at We Care Wednesday. We do have free skate twice a week, normally during the week, but all about the fun stuff here today. So we came here a little bit early to get some quiet time for some videos. It's gonna be a good time. Look who it is over here. We got Sea-Dog, caught him at the ice arena. What are you doing here, pal?
Well, when you have an ice arena like this one, you have to make sure the students can go and skate. That's what we're doing today for the next couple hours.
It is pretty rowdy. We're hitting it, having a good time. Part of We Care Wednesday is Popcorn Wednesday. Picking our corn up. We have local communities, sororities, fraternities, organizations sponsor the popcorn and hand it out for all students, not only on We Care Wednesday, but every Wednesday. So walk into class, stop by, grab your corn, and hit it up. So here, right next to Wednesday Popcorn, we got free t-shirts for We Care Wednesday, sponsored by the student government here. This is a design we came up specifically for We Care. Welcome to Thunder Lanes here at We Care Wednesday. We got open bowl here for students. Great time up here. We got our private 6 bowling alleys down in the basement of our basketball MTI arena. It's always a great time here when you're throwing strikes. So here at We Care Wednesday for lunch, it's a party up in here. We got a little live entertainment back there. We got a little ring of fire, right? For lunch today, I got a custom Sammy. I had them make up for me at the lunch line. It's looking like a good time today. All right, we're here at Pottery here for We Care Wednesday. I got my buddy Luke, clay master, making some bowls here. So we got the clay, we got our sauce. We're sauce dipping, nugget sauce. We're having a great time here at We Care. Game day here with all your games with Phi Kappa Theta and Delta Chi. We got the president of Phi Kappa Theta right here. What do you think of today, man?
It's a beautiful day out this We Care Wednesday. Weather cooperated perfectly for us. It's a great time hosting this fun game event with DKI. Just get the few fun things that we do here at Trine University.
Yeah, we're hitting it hard. We're gonna go get some fun stuff going on. Hey, we're here on Golf Simulator for We Care Wednesday. Me and the boys are just going around hitting some shots around, and we have a work study here watching the facility for us. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
I basically just come in here, make sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to, watch the lab, make sure people know how to golf.
So you're a golf management major, right?
Yes, I am.
So what's that like here?
It's actually really fun. We get to come down here all the time, whenever we really want to. Get to use it. So.
And you are on the golf team as well, I understand?
Yes, I am. So.
What's going on with that?
We're already playing. We start tournaments at the end of the month, so we come in here quite often. Hopefully, it gets warm outside and we won't have to use it anymore. So.
Do you enjoy the golf team here?
Oh yeah, definitely a lot of fun. So.
Great. Well, thanks for tuning in at the golf simulators here. I gotta go hit some crazy drives. So here's for Week Here Wednesday on dinner. We got steak night. So all dinner is free for all commuters, so all students can come and enjoy steak night here at the CAP. The last event here on Week Here Wednesday is pizza provided by student government here. So if you're into some Domino's za, you swing by, grab some. Thanks for tuning in with me today on Week Here Wednesday. Oh, hacky sack. Thanks for coming in and checking out what Trine's all about and going through all the fun events with me today. I hope we can do this again for the next Week Here day. I'll see you next time.